Hi, good evening. This is Sharon Season and I am the owner of Luxury Zone. We are doing the recorded selling because for one, we want to protect your privacy because we noticed that most of our buyers, miners, are very private person. They mine naman sila through PM. So, we might as well do na lang a recording for them. Second is to protect you from scammers. So, because ngayon yung mga live sellers, may mga, once you mine, may mga mag-PPM sa inyo, magsasend sa inyo. This time, mapoprotect kayo. You just have to screenshot and PM us. And ako rin mismo yung magre-reply sa inyo. Third is to save time. I know na marami sa inyo ang very busy and not all of our items is interested kayo. So at least when it's recording, you can forward it na agad sa item na gusto nyo. You can skip the items that na you don't you're not looking for. Lastly is of course para we still feel na the best way to show you our product is through live demo instead of sending pictures. So this also saves time sa amin and sa inyo din. So you don't need to take all the screenshots, ganyan. Ipapakita naman namin sa inyo here on our video. So for this video, this is actually our second video. I'll be showing the Kate Spade product. So I'll start with small leather goods. So SLGs muna tayo. Hindi na Kate, most of my wallets kasi are Kate Spade, pero baka may ibang items dito na hindi. Singit ko na lang din. Okay, I'll start with this card holder. Yan, so it's all our items are are authentic. For this recording, for this video, this is brand new. Yan o. So you will see, meron pa talaga siyang plastic. This is unused. This is brand new. So the first one is a card holder. Champagne gold yung hardware niya. Balik ko yung protective you have a slot here, one slot here. You have card slots to ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 outside. And of course, you can keep here, pwede nyo i-keep yung sometimes kinikip nila yung key or sometimes you can keep your cash here, coins and all. Yan. So this is in US, this is $119 in US in regular price. Of course, nakuha natin to at good rate. Okay, nakuha natin to at good rate nung Black Friday sale. So this is only from $119. This is now card holder or okay, this is only 2,380. 2,380. Ang mura, guys. 2,000. Kate Spade to. Ayan, metal yung logo niya. Saffiano leather. So, hindi kayo magwo-worry kung mai-scratch siya. And very slim. Look at that. Very slim. So, kung mahilig ka sa slim bag, you need konting cash lang kina-carry mo. You have your card slots here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here, cash inside. This is the perfect wallet for you. It's only 2,380. Take a screenshot. Yan, and PM us, 2,380. Okay, I have this in black. Marami tayo nito, so okay lang. Or screenshot lang kayo. You can tell your friends to buy also. Kasi marami naman tayo. We have a lot of stocks. Pero we have this in 2 colors. Ayan, marami tayo. Two colors. The other one is in green. Guys, bilhin nyo yung green. Tira nyo ako. Kasi lucky color ko daw ang green this year. Ayan, also in gold hardware, yung green. Maganda yung pagka-green niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa green na to, pero maganda siya. Hindi siya yung green na neon green. Ayan, so mas makikita dito yung card slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very slim. Wala kayo po problemahin sa back. And then another one here. And then you have coins or cash here. Enough lang. You can bring enough, ano. So again, this is also same price, 2,380. 2,380 only. Take a screenshot and PM us. Thank you. Next. Next, we have slightly bigger than that. This one is the Layla. This one naman is bifold. Yan. So, if you need more space for your cards, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have side here, side pocket here. You can put your ID dyan. Side pocket here, and zip here. Zip. Yan, for your keys or your coins. This one naman, I have this in two colors. We have black. This is pebbled leather. Yung isa is Saffiano. Saffiano and pebbled. Okay? This one I also have in brown. Brown also is gold hardware. Actually, siyang plain gold siya ha. Silver ba? Siyang very pale. Almost silver na nga eh. Okay, this one is Layla Small is, uy, ang mura din. 2,990. 2,990. Take a screenshot if you like the brown. Take a screenshot if you like the black. For 2,990. 2,990. Okay, thank you. Next. Singit ko, if you want more affordable na card holder. Wait ha, double checking the price. Oh, mura. Guys, mura. Nag-iisa lang to, guys. So, take a screenshot agad-agad and PM us. Mura. Okay, this one is Guess. So, two-tone siya. Silver hardware. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mas malaki to siya. Parang Layla yung size niya. And then, may zip pocket. Laglag na naman. Okay, this one, mas mura siya. This is only 1,600. If you like this item, take a screenshot for only 1,600. Thank you. Okay, next. Next, we have the, if you want naman, we'll go na sa mga large wallets. This is large. This is large Madison. Okay. Large Madison is only, mura din guys. Large Madison is a piano leather, gold hardware, ganyan siya. May zip at the back. It's bifold and slim siya, slim type. Kahit naka-long wallet kayo, is still slim. So if you need more slots for your card, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 slots. Tapos may may bills dito, may bills dito. May bills dito, may bills dito. Sa likod, you can put may zip sa likod, you can put your coins. Yan. Maganda siya, guys. This is Madison. Madison is only 3,450. 3,450 for this one. If you like this item, take a screenshot. 3,450 pesos. Slim din siya. Very slim. Okay? Next one. Stacy. Actually, tinry ko lang lahat yung style. Pero Stacy is cheaper by 150 pesos. This is 3,300. 3,300. Anong difference? Mas makapal ng konti si Stacy. Mas makapal ng konti. Okay, but when you open, bifold din siya. Let me see. Marami rin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Tapos meron dito, meron dito, and meron dito sa back. It's a piano leather also in silver hardware. Silver. Kung gusto mo naman silver. Tapos metal to naka-emboss. Yan. So this is only 3,300. 3,300. I think cheapest natin sa sa bifold na wallet, sa large wallet. Okay? For those naman na mas comfortable using the zip, okay, this is zip na actually, hindi ko kasi siya mabasa. Continental, sige. Ideally, is Continental. Stacy large Continental. Ah, may Stacy rin pala. Ito yon, Stacy. Ayan, Continental. Oh, yung ganda rin ng Continental. Ayan, no? So, kasi, minsan, if you want, minsan nilalagay nila, at ganito siya, inside. Ayan, no? Yung mga maraming makash talaga. Tapos, ma-receipt, ganyan siya. Tapos, may pocket ka dito. Ayan. Ayun, sabi ko na nga ba. May card slot siya dito. So, minsan kasi nilalagyan to ng phone. Can I try my phone? May phone ba tayo siya? Sobrang laki nito. Anong phone ba to? What to? Pero in fairness, kasha, oh. Of course, wag mo ipagpilitan. Pilit ha, guys. Pilit na kasha. Kasha. Pero guys, ano to? Ano ba to? Note ba to? S23 Ultra. Laki nito. Mas malaki to sa iPhone. Kasha. So, it means kasha yung iPhone. Basta slim yung ano. This is only... This is Continental. Oy, mura din. Actually, guys, worth, ano siya, 3,780 lang. 3,780. If you like this item, take a screenshot. We have this also in black. Hindi ko na bubuksan. Pero sige, para ma-screenshot nyo. Ah, 3 colors pala siya. And then the other one is ano, two-tone. Ano yun? Pebbled leather. So, malambot siya. Nag-i-expand kasi yung mga pebbled leather. Yun yung beauty ng... Ato naman sa piano na two-tone. Okay? But the same price yata lahat. 3,780? 3,780. Same price silang tatlo. Let me see the other black kung anong material. For me ha, if ever, kung gusto niyo na yung ipipilit niyo talaga yung phone, doon kayo sa sa pebbled leather. Ayan siya. May card slots din. May zip for the coins. Ayan, may card slot. Expandable to, so yan. Yung iba kasi gusto nila na zip kasi may tendency na mahulog din yung iba. So, mas gusto nila, mas, ayan. If you prefer na zip, ito yon. Okay, this one in Saffiano. Okay, and then the last one is black. Plain black. Plain black. Ayaw magpa-open. Ayaw niya magpa-open. Ay, sorry. Para makita natin. Ayan. Oh, also in Saffiano. Ayan. Oh, ang maganda naman dito, ito, look at this one. Naka-engrave. Hindi metal to. Naka-engrave. Yung dalawa, metal. I believe metal. Oo. Ito, naka-engrave siya. May pocket dito. Lahat sila may pocket dito. Pare-pareho lahat interior. May zip pocket. May mga card slots. Okay? Okay, if you like this item, this is also 3,780. 3,780. Take a screenshot and PM us. Okay, our next item. Okay, our next item. Guys, meron pa ako natitirang earrings. Isa na lang to. Uy, ang ganda nito ha. Natira to. Diba? Ganyan siya. Ang ganda. Ayan, no, may stones siya and then Kate Spade na ayun, na logo. Ayan, tapos may stone siya. Guys, maano naman, ganito yung back niya ha. Ganito yung sa back niya. This is only 1,000. I'm selling this 1,950. Sige, para maubos na siya, 1,600 na lang. Take a screenshot, 1,600 pesos. Maganda siya ha, guys. Oh, tingnan mo. Ganda. Next, okay. Guys, ito sobrang sulit to. Yung kanina pinapakita ko 3,000 plus. This is already wristlet. Actually, pwede siyang toilet 3. This is also Kate Spade in Saffiano leather. Inside is like this. This is also brand new. You have pockets, card pockets. Nandyan pa lahat yung mga papers niya and all. Okay, this one guys, nakita ko to sa mall. Mall price is 7,000 to 9,000. But for this one, this is only 3,500. If you like this item, take a screenshot. It's a wristlet. Nilagyan siya ng ganito. Okay? Okay, so you can put it on your, ano, ayan. 3,500 lang. 3,500, medyo malapad siya ha. Ay, natatanggal siya. Detachable. So, kung ayaw mo na, yan. 3,500. Okay. Next item. Next item. Uy, another good deal, guys. Pili nyo to. This is a, ano, kili-kili bag. Maganda ang kili-kili bag, anak. Ay, mga anak ko. Kasi, ano siya, pang bagets. Nakaka-bagets siya. At saka, for me, nagagamit din ako nito. Kasi, ano siya, madaling i-keep, ganyan. Madali siyang i-carry. Nandiyan yung logo niya. This is also Kate Spade. Metal logo. This is black. Yeah, black. Gold hardware. Nylon material. You should get yourself a kili-kili bag kasi Ayan, may card siya. May card. Alam nyo guys, yung mall price nito, sa mall, it's 10,000. 10,665. Chinek ko sa mall. You know, kung magkano lang to sa luxury zone. Only 4,900. Totoo ba yan? Totoo bang 4,900 lang to? Guys, bilhin nyo to kasi maganda siya. I mean, ang sarap magkaroon ng ganitong bag. Kasi, ang daling bitbitin, ganon. Tapos, enough yung size niya. Enough para sa big wallet nyo, sa tissue, sa alcohol, makeup kit, and all. Ayan, nandito lahat to. Yan. If you like this item, take a screenshot. This is only 4,900. Take a screenshot and PM us. Buy nyo to, guys. Hindi kayo magsisisi, promise. Okay, next. Okay, this one naman is the may parang monogram nila. Jacquard tawag dito. Jacquard ba? Ano tawag dito sa boto? Ayan. Basta yun. Champagne gold hardware. Green. Green yung material. Pero actually, in ano, hindi siya green na green. Let's open. At the back, may pocket. Inside. And guys, yung mga ganito, retail to, hindi siya outlet. Tingnan mo. Yung retail may dust bag. Sa retail ko to binili. May isang zip pocket. The rest very roomy siya. Let's try ha. Hindi ko na i-open. Pero yung strap niya, the same color as this one. Ganyan siya oh. Maganda, makapal. Makapal yung strap, hindi masakit sa shoulders pag makapal. Kasi, di ba, tendency pag pinupuno natin. Ganyan siya. Medyo silver or champagne gold yung hardware. It's adjustable. Hindi ko na lang i-adjust. Guys, ha, for the sake nung makakabili. Yan. Maganda to, guys. Mahal ang mga ganitong model. Kasi this is retail product. So, in retail, usually itong mga ganito nasa 27,000. But in luxury zone, this is only 7,500. 7,500 for this one. Ayan o. Para kang ayan o. Wala ka masyadong kapareho. Ayan. Ayan. Mine for, magkano masabi ko? 7,500. 7,500. O, look o. 7,500. Sige, ano na lang. 7,000 na lang. Ako na tumawad. Ayan, 7,000 na lang. I have another one. White naman. O, ito mahal to in retail store. Ito maganda to. It's three-way. You have this, and then of course, pwedeng i-ganito. And may long strap to. Hindi ko rin masyadong bubulat-latin ha. It's a mini tote. Na patayo. Maganda yung mga ganitong tote. Ganyan siya oh. Ayan. Hindi siya white na white. It's cream. Cream. Tas ito rin yung logo. This is actually selling $228. In retail store. Retail din to. Kaya tingnan mo. Meron siyang dust bag. Yan, sorry. May pocket dito. Hindi ko masyado binubuksan kasi white. Sorry. May pockets naman siya. May side pockets. May zip pocket. May zip pocket. Roomy siya. It can fit. May logo rin dito. This one is only, I'm selling this for only 8,900. This one mga ano to? Mga 20 plus kasi ito sa store natin eh, sa Philippines. Ayan. This is only 8,900. If you like this item, take a screenshot. 8,900. Ayan o. Mas okay yung size nito. Mas may malalagay ka. I like the size. Okay, I'll continue with the white bags. We still have time. Ah, may Kate Spade pa pala tayo dito. Okay. Oh, may Kate Spade. May bag pa sa loob ng bag. Okay, guys. Itong Kate Spade. Medyo matagal na to sa akin. Isa-seal ko na to. Kanina ko to natanggal. Medyo matagal na to sa akin. Ito sulit to, guys. Sale ko. I'm selling this before for, I think, 6,900. This is reversible. Pwede siyang green. Pwede siyang stripe. Tapos, may logo siya dito. May logo siya dito. Plus, you have a pouch pa. So, di ba yung mga pouches natin, wallet natin is 3,400. So, ito with pouch, I'm selling this 6,500, but for this video, this is only 5,999. 5,999 na lang siya. Guys, meron ka pang pouch. So, ito pa lang 3,500 na. Tapos, you have tote bag pa na reversible. You have your stripes kung gusto mo, and kung gusto mo na plain, you have green. In color ang green ngayon. So again, this is 5,999. 5,999. Take a screenshot, please. Thank you. And then we have another tote. Oh, ito din ang mura na nito, tote. Kate Spade. Ganito yung pagka-Kate Spade niya. And then nylon siya. Guys, maganda ang nylon ha. Magaan. Magaan. Tapos may zip siya. Zip. Naghahanap ako ng ano. Ayan, wait ha. Okay, inside you have one zip pocket. Oh, and then may mga compartments dito. Ayan, may mga compartments. Okay. May Kate Spade dito. Again, this is guaranteed authentic. Oh, kita mo $244 nga to, oh. In the US. And this is only 4,999. Grabe, oh. 4,700 for this video. 4,700. 4,700. Mura to, guys. Mahal na ngayon. Taas na kasi nung ano. Dati ko pa to nakuha. Ngayon ang taas na ng exchange rate na naman. Ikip ko siya dito. May surprise pala siya dito. If you want another tote, I have here. This is Grind. Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs. This is unused. I didn't buy this in brand new. Pero yeah, it's brand new. Brand new. Mahal ang Grind, guys, ha. Maganda siya pang work. Okay? This is plain na Grind. The material is parang grained leather. Mas firm sa pebbled leather. And then you have 3 compartments. Paslant yung zip niya. So if you have important documents or valuables, you can put that in the zip. And then may key. May padlock siya dyan. Ang ganda ng material, guys. This one is only 10,500. 10,500. 10,500 for this bag. Marc Jacobs. Take a screenshot if you like this item. Perfect for for work. Pwede rin after work. Okay. Okay. What else? Okay. Here I have MK. Jet setter to eh. Tama ba ako? Tama ba ako? Yun. This is the mura to. Itong jet setter ko. Only for talaga sa yung phone ko. Double check ko yung price. This is vanilla color, gold hardware, brown sa side. Yan ito siya. Another white. Mura to eh, alam. Let me double check na. Wow, mura. Sobrang mura. 3,900. 3,900. Unahan kayo. Take a screenshot for 3,900. I have this in full. Tama ba? Tingnan nga ulit. Okay, so what's inside again? This is guaranteed authentic. May isang packet. Guys, mura to. Mura to. Ano to eh, nung Black Friday sale. Dalawa to, 2 pieces. Unahan na lang kayo for only 3,900. Okay. San pa? I-clear na yan. Ito, Kate Spade again. This is Smile, yung moon nila. Ganda. May ganda, guys. Ay, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung get kili-kili bag. Nakakabagets yung feel. Pero to, nalulong strap. May long strap siya, oh. Nalulong strap yata din to. May kasamang strap, eh. Ay, hindi. Ano ba? Hindi alam. Tagal na kasi sa akin ito, guys. Bilhin nyo na. Kate Spade Moon. Mall price is 16,000. Mall price is 16,000. Yung price ko is only 6,900. Grabe, retail din to, ha? Retail din to. Ito yung mga kunin nyo. Ayan, no? May, siya. Pebbled leather. Pinupush ko yung hindi retail kasi even if you see the item, mas siya. Yung parang mas, alam mong hindi tipid. Alam mo yung parang mas may quality. Although quality din na may outlet. Pero ito talaga, mas parang, alam mong premium siya. Yan. Guys, so, for only 6,900, naka-moon ka na. 16,000 to sa mall. Ayan, no? 6,900. Tama ba ako? Baka mali ako. Pamay na lang po ako. Hindi pamay. Take a screenshot and PM us. There. Yan. Thank you. Okay. Tapusin ko na. Mahaba to. Ayun pa. Oh, sorry. Ay, ito guys. Isisale ko na rin to. Sobrang tagal na nito. 2.5 na lang. 2.5 na lang. Pag hindi pa dito na 2.5 na lang. Camera bag to. Pero ano na siya. Pero guys, nagaganyan na siya ha. Selling this before for 4,500. 2,500 na lang. Talo. Okay, take a screenshot. Yan. Bawi na lang talo. Okay, this one. Okay, matagal na rin sa akin to. Nylon also. You have, for ito talaga pag magta-travel kayo, I recommend this bag kasi marami kang malalagay. You can put your passport, yung mga extra clothes, shawl, ano pa ba. Ayan, marami to. Magaan pa yung nylon. So, ang ganda ng nylon ng Kate Spade. Para ka naka-nylon ng ayan o. Para ka naka-nylon ng Prada. Tingnan siya when worn. Again, na-adjust pa siya ha. Na-adjust to. Sige, I'm putting this on sale na rin. I'm selling this for 6,600. Tapos naging 6,300. 4,500 na lang. Again, talo. 4,500 for this one. 4,500. Yan, para may owner na siya. Perfect to, guys. Isa sa mga hindi girly magbag, ito yun. Ito yung for you. Kasi ako bet ko rin yung mga ganitong bag pag may mga ano. Kapag may mga bit-bit ka, marami. This is perfect bag for you. Okay, next. Forla. Ito yung mga cute lang, di ba? Pang ano. Cash iPhone dito. Pero pink, ano ha, Philip? Where's the iPhone? And where's ano, the phone? Ganyan siya ha. Nice, di ba? This is only 5,200. This is Forla, guys. Mahal ng Forla. Ganito siya ha. Kita siya. Hindi nyo na siya magaganon. Ayan. So, yan. So, 4,000. Ano sabi ko? Ano, nakalimutan ko. Ayan. 4,900 ba? O sige, yun na lang yung price. 4,900. 4,000 yung... Pa-take note nga nito. Pinor 5 ko to. Teka ha. Ano to? Live. Tapos to 4 yun. Iram ako. 4,500. Yan, para ma-clear na lang. Okay. Okay, I have here. Tapusin ko na to. Sorry, I'm targeting 30 minutes na. But this one is a Tory. Hindi ko alam kung ba't hindi nyo ito binili. Ganda-ganda ng Tory. Mura-mura ko rin itong binibenta. Si Tory, ano rin to ha, hindi outlet to. Ayan o, may ganito siya. Ayan o. Ay, ang ganda nito! Ito yung may ano, nakikili-kili bag. Kasi dati hindi ko to pinush kasi gusto ko siyang gamitin. Ano maalala? Nasa na yung price nito? Ganda nito. Tignan niyo yung pagkaka-gold niya. Parang brass na gold. Daming inquiries nito. Grabe. Okay. Chain. Gold chain siya dito. Okay. So, the beauty of this, kasi yung iba, hindi yan. Kung ayaw mo mag-gold chain, so, pwede siyang shoulder bag like this. Pretty to. Kasi meron siyang leather. Tanggalin ko muna, guys, ha. Babalik ko na lang. Ayan, o. Pebbled leather. Pretty to. Nakalimutan ko yung name nito. Ayusin natin. Yung kabila niya, blue? Black. Okay. So many ways to carry it. Ganyan siya. And then of course, yung pwede mo siyang habaan. Like this. And then like this. Yung chain strap hindi natatanggal. The leather strap is detachable. Okay? But actually, it makes it better looking pag nakaganyan siya. Nice siya. Ang cute! Cute! Ang ganda nito, guys! Hindi ko na... Okay. Ano na lang to? Sige. I'll give this na lang for 7,900. 7,900. Take a screenshot if you like this bag. 7,900. 7,900. Okay. Okay. And then I have snapshots. Snapshots, MJ snapshots. I have in green. Ganito siya. All snapshots are 6,000 pesos na lang. 6,000 pesos. Tagal na rin ito sa akin. Ayan siya. Okay. This is one. Ay, ito. Actually, hindi. Bago pala yung iba. This one, brown, gold, tsaka gray. Gray. Maganda yung strap nito. Ito medyo mas neutral yung color. Ay, saan ito? Ayan o, neutral yung color ng strap. Diba? Ganda. 6,000, ano pa nga ito dati? 7 or 8,000 plus pa. 6K na lang lahat. Gold hardware. $6K. For this one, 6K. Yan. Take a screenshot. Yan, 6K. Yung snapshot na to, ang ganda. Ang ganda nito. Silver siya, tapos iba-iba yung material niya. Tapos ang ganda ng strap nito, you can use it in your other bag. You can use it with your other bags kasi sobrang ganda ng strap. Strap pa lang, ano. This one hindi ko si 6K ha. Sorry. This one is 7K. Maganda kasi yung strap nito. Tsaka, if you don't like to put the strap, pwede siyang pang formal. Ito. Ang ganda nito guys. Sulit to. Ganyan naman yung strap niya pagka ano. Nice. Yan o. Yan. Okay. This one naman, ito yung soft na snapshot. Naku, ano. Teka ha. I'll check the price. Okay, for this one, this is 9,600. Mura yun. 14K to eh. Mas malaki siya ha, hindi siya yung ano, unlike the other snapshots. Yan, may Marc Jacobs siya. Tapos yung strap nito, of course, ito medyo kasya na yung large wallet niya dito. Tapos yung strap nito is, I believe it's leather. Yung may mga, ano, open natin. Para ma-appreciate mo. Sabi yung init. Obvious na. Nabawasan ng konti yung ano, calories ko. Na-notice nyo ba na ano? So, sobrang tagal natin hindi nakita. Ilang pounds ang ilang kilos na ang nagiging. Silver hardware. Yan, leather strap siya. So guys, ang tagal na rin siya sa akin, no? Sige na, ibabawasan ko pa. 9,600 kanina. Ano na lang? 9,000. Ganyan siya ha. Soft to, soft na ano. Oh, nice. Nice siya. Adjustable pa to. It's nice. Oh, look at that. Mas marami kang malalagay. Guys, mahal kasi yung Marc Jacobs. So, yeah, konti mababawasan kong konti. 9,400 for this one. 9,400 pesos. Okay, take a screenshot. Thank you. Okay, eto, sisale ko na din. Tagal na nito. Pero this is one is sobrang sulit. This is Markel course in pebbled leather. This is 2-in-1. This is a slim, slim. Pwede mong ilagay yung phone mo and all. Yan. This one, shoulder bag siya. A sling bag siya. Adjustable and detachable. So, pwedeng clutch lang siya. Yan. May pocket here. May pockets here. May pockets here. May compartment. May pocket here. Guys, sobrang sulit din to. 2-in-1. Ayan guys, guaranteed authentic. Nandiyan pa yung mga ano niya. Naku, sorry. Maraming colors to dati. Ito na lang natira. So, akala ko pa naman black yung unang mabibili. Black yung naiwan. So, even yung chain, pwede mo itong lagyan ng chain. Sling bag, pwede mo siyang sling bag, belt bag. Yan. Okay. For this one, I'm selling this before na 6,900. Naging 6,500. Tonight, I'll give this at 5,999. 5,999 na lang. Grabe. Sobrang laki ng binaba. 5,900 to 2K. 2K. Para lang magka-owner na siya. Nauubos na sila. Nauubos na sila. Wait lang ha. Ayusin natin yan later. And lastly, ito. Sobrang cute nito. This is Forla. And again, this is retail. Meron siyang, dust bag. Ito yung strap niya in gold hardware. $14K to dati eh. Paano ba yung engine na ano? 10.5. Kasi ito 11 dito dati. Bawasan ko na lang doon. Para may owner na siya. Ganda yung panilalagyan pati ng sound. Ganyan siya. Ganito eh. Alam niyo maganda ito ngayong summer. Diba? Pag naka-white ka lang. Ganon. Ito beach. From 14. Ay, kasi talaga itong 4 eh. Bakit na din? Yan o, ang ganda niya. Pag kami lang. Sige. Pebbled leather. Tapos adjustable to. Oh, para kang nakapikotan. Ayan. Pa-take note na lang ako. From 14K. 14K nga ba ito? Walang price eh. Pero for this video, I'll give this for 11,500. 11,500. Yan, para mag-move na siya. 11,500. Okay. I think the flex ko naman yung iba. I have long chumps pa and big bags. So, I'll make another video for the big bags and shoes. So that ends my video for this my second video. I'll see you again on my another video. Bye.